Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having fun with all the lessons this week so far. Today, Miss Diana is going to teach you something really important. It is to count by fives and to count by tens. First, let's discuss the materials you're going to need. It is quite simple. You're going to need scissors. Maybe you'll find out what Miss Diana will do. And then in the email, Mommy and Daddy will have I can count by fives 100 chart. And they're going to have I can count by tens 100 chart. First, let's count by fives. Listen to me first, and the second time you will do it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's how we count by fives to 100. And this chart is very good because it has counting by fives in color and it's easier for the eyes. So this time I would like you to say it with me. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20. You're doing so good so far. Let's go on. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So far we counted by fives to 50. Let's continue. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job, boys and girls. I hope you're ready to learn to count by tens to 100. Here is my 100 charts counting by tens. And it is also colored, so it's easier for you to count. First time you'll listen to me, and the second time we'll do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This was Miss Diana counting by tens to 100. Now I'd like you to do it with me. 10. Good job. 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we counted by tens to 50. Let's go on. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this, boys and girls, was counting by tens. So now that we counted by fives and tens, this is where the scissors come in. Watch what Miss Diana will do. She will take her counting by fives chart and cut out only those numbers that we need to count by fives to 100. Just like that. And notice, as always, I am keeping the scissors away from my body and just moving the paper the way I need it. Okay. All right. And then what you want to do is take each strip of counting by fives and cut each box out. And you'll find out why Miss Diana is doing that. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So this was me cutting out counting by fives each individual. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. This was me cutting out the counting by fives to 100. Now I will continue by cutting out the counting by tens. Keeping the scissors away from the body, just moving the paper. And now, just like with counting by fives, I will cut out each individual 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're going to put counting by tens in this row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, boys and girls, I have a question for you. Take a look at our two piles over here of counting by fives and counting by tens. Where do you see the pile being bigger? Here, by counting by tens, or counting by fives to 100? Think. That's right. The pile counting by fives is bigger. Let's count how many fives it takes to get to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It takes 25 to get to 100. And how many tens does it take to get to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It takes half as many counting by tens as it does by fives. And I'd like you to do it at home with your mommies, daddies, or any of the adults. And let us know how it goes. See you soon.